Introducing the Shark WD-101 HydroVac XL, the ultimate 3-in-1 solution for deep cleaning your home with ease. With its powerful suction and hydro-mopping technology, the HydroVac XL effortlessly pulls in dirt, debris, and wet messes to leave your floors streak-free and immaculately clean. Start clean, stay clean. The HydroVac XL features a continuous self-cleaning system and an antimicrobial brush roll to ensure that your floors remain fresh and odor-free with every use. Designed for all sealed hard floors and area rugs, the HydroVac XL delivers multi-surface cleaning that removes surface dirt and odors, leaving your floors looking and feeling their best. Say goodbye to unwanted odors. The HydroVac XL comes with a powerful multi-surface concentrate that neutralizes odors and keeps your home smelling fresh, making it perfect for pet owners and households with furry friends. Cleanup made simple. The HydroVac XL's debris filtration technology separates solids from liquids for quick and easy emptying, while the XL Clean Tank maximizes cleaning efficiency for uninterrupted performance. Seamless navigation and visibility. With the touch of a button on the LED display and the help of LED headlights, you can effortlessly transition between floor types and ensure every inch of your home is thoroughly cleaned. Experience the power and convenience of the Shark WD-101 HydroVac XL. With its 3-in-1 cleaning capabilities and innovative features, it's the ultimate solution for keeping your home clean and FR.